Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the CoinTails game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to delete your CoinTails game account, then first of all, open up the CoinTails game on your device. Once you open up the application and it is fully loaded from the home screen, in order to delete your account, you can either tap on your account icon at the top left corner to gain access to the settings menu directly, or you can also tap on the menu icon at the top right and then tap on the gear icon which says settings. Now, from the settings menu, you have various different options, including deactivate account within the support section. Just tap on deactivate account and you will be asked to enter the verification code to confirm your deactivation request. Just type in the verification code that you see within the application dialog box and make sure you type it in a case-sensitive manner. After typing in the case-sensitive verification code, tap on the deactivate button and this will deactivate your account on the CoinTails game right away, and all of your gameplay progress will be removed. Just make sure to not log back into your game for at least 2 weeks, and then your account will be completely deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on the CoinTails game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.